made it back to Bishop, California. And of course, the first place that we are stopping by is the first place that we tried last year, which is Holy Smokes Texas Barbecue. Woo, got that one. And we've been excited. We've actually been thinking about it since last night. We decided to try a couple other things, which included the sampler platter. It comes with cornbread, 3 choices of meat, as well as 2 sides. I decided to go with some chicken, some brisket, and some pulled pork, potato salad, and mac and cheese for the side. And of course, this cornbread just looks freaking amazing. I'm gonna go with the ghost pepper. We've had these sauces before, and if there's barbecue sauce, I always go for the spiciest. That is what it is. Jeremy likes to try all of them. I'm just like, who am I kidding? I'm just gonna go straight to the main one. And then Jeremy shows the best one. I always go for that one. But yeah, we're gonna try this out. Just gonna use my finger. All right, here we go. It still holds up. It's spicy though. So maybe let me try the hot. That one's actually really spicy. But it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna try the pulled pork. I'm kind of gross with my fingers, but I mean, I'm gonna use my fingers anyways. All right, here's the pulled pork. Bruh. I mean, it's still good. It was good last time and it's still good today. I really have no complaints, but the new thing I am trying is the chimkin. All right, here we go. Try with the spicy one. That's good. This just tastes like rotisserie chicken. If you go to the swamp meat and you get chicken there, it tastes just like that, and it's amazing. Yeah, I'm really happy we came back. But yeah, overall these meats are amazing. We just have the sides, so I'm gonna try the potato salad. I think I got it last time. Like, here we go. The potato salad has a little too much celery in it. I'm not a huge fan, but it's okay. But I'm gonna try the cornbread though. That is the star. That's what I ditch barbecue places. Yeah. It's so good. It's sweet, it's crispy. I'm gonna cry with that one. Get this.
For mine, I got the brisket. Also got the pulled pork. Difference between mine and hers, I got the tri-tip, and I also got baked beans, and of course the mac. I'm gonna start with the tri-tip. I'm gonna try, since you tried the hot and ghost pepper, I'll just try the regular spicy. See how that is. Just the regular spice. Let's try this little piece of tri-tip.
Thank you, that was delicious.
Yeah, thank you. That one's really good. It's kind of more on the sweeter end than spicy, but the tri-tip, very tender, very fall off the bone, as Alex will say. The spicy's fine, not my favorite, but let's try the hot. I'm gonna try this with some brisket, just to see if it holds up, and then I'll try the mac. Got the brisket. Still holds up. Every time, this has to be a staple when you come here. Now let's see if the baked beans. I know a lot of people don't like baked beans or beans in general, but every time I go to a barbecue place, I have to get the beans. I was expecting it to be a little more barbecue based, like barbecue sauce, but it's more on the oniony side. It's just different. Not my favorite baked beans, but I'll eat it. I'm gonna finish this. Who am I kidding? And then, of course, the mac. It looks a little greasy, but that never stopped me before. So let's try. It's supposed to be like a baked crispy mac. It's creamy, and then you get some of this like dark spots. Kind of tastes like the edge of a pie, or like lasagna, where you get the crispy bits. And so I kind of like that, but I still think the star is definitely the meats. So holds up. Come here if you're passing through. You won't be disappointed. We're gonna finish our meal.
We are playing bowling for the first time, and you can tell we're not that great. We're not that great, but it's our first time. We're trying. We're gonna have some beers and do some bowling. But yeah, watch Jeremy lose, so stay tuned. Can we like see previews?
Well, yours.
Oh.
Easy.
Alex, do you want to do sharks? Shit.
out like you.
Y'all, I legit just like hurt my finger. I did some like weird like Cartoon Network shit where I flipped the ball when I was trying to bowl. The ball flew backwards. And like now my thumb is like bleeding and dying, so I'm dead now. And then I had to get like a kitty ball. Yes. These are too heavy, so hopefully I do better now, so wish me luck. Oh, I did not do better. That's embarrassing.
Not there. Okay. This works for bowling.
Y'all, I got a strike. Oh my god. Oh, so close.
Just trying to follow it.
All right, my dudes, we have made it to our next camping spot for the day. We have been craving Panda Express for the past couple weeks now. And Bishop does not have Panda Express, unfortunately, but they do have a Chinese restaurant that has highly rated reviews on Yelp called Wonderland Chinese. So we got a couple of things we're really excited to try.
I was pretty excited. The number one thing that I wanted to get was the Mongolian beef. It looks pretty good. So let's try it. The best way I could describe it, I know this is terrible, but I'd say it's like meaty. Not a lot of soy sauce or teriyaki. A savory kind of meaty thing going on. It's really good. Nice and tender. I'm actually pretty happy with it. I'll go for seconds.
So I'm gonna be trying the orange chimkin. I will say I feel like the portion of like rice to meat ratio is a little sad. So I'm hoping it tastes good, and I'm hoping I'm not gonna be just a fat hater. So we shall see. That's good. That's really good. It's not too heavy. Like the orange sauce isn't too heavy, and you actually taste more chicken than the actual like breading. Taste this rice real quick. But that chicken's really good. And that rice is really good. Honestly, this is amazing. I'm gonna try a little bit of the Mongolian beef, see which one is a little better. Let's see. Oh wow. That's good. I know what you're saying. It's like teriyaki chicken, but without the super sweetness of the teriyaki. It's more of like a subtle flavor. But that meat's kind of juicy. That's really good. I will say there is more onion than meat, so it's a little depressing. They're a little skimping on it, but what isn't skimped is actually how good the food is. So maybe I'm more upset the fact that they didn't put more of that portion, because that's really good. So my favorite thing in the world is like chow mein, lo mein. That's like the one thing I mainly get at every Chinese restaurant. So here she is. So here we go. To be honest, Sharon, maybe I should have just eaten there. This place is really good. That's super good. Oh my goodness. It has broccoli, which is weird, but I guess vegetable lo mein, but that's good. This is good. I'm gonna be real with you. This is Star the Star. This is actually maybe one of the better foods we've had each time we visited Bishop versus this year and last year. This is top 3.
Don't know what flavor or what's in it. If it's a vegetable, meat. I'm assuming just because they gave it out, it's probably vegetable. Just to kind of.
You love free food.
Yeah. So try a little bit of the sweet and sour. Let's check it out. Has a good crunch. Isn't greasy like some of these egg rolls. Yeah, pretty good. I mean, they could have totally charged. I'm sure they do charge for this, but for them to hook it up, I love a restaurant that cares about customer service. This is a good vegetable egg roll. The sweet and sour sauce isn't too sweet or sour. I'm actually pretty happy with it. The egg rolls I would actually pay money for, so. The place as a whole, pretty solid. This is definitely a place that I'd go back to if I'm in the area. This is definitely top 3 places that we've been to out here. So this may have to become a staple whenever we're out here. Just at least to pick up a little something. Yeah.
What are we making, baby?
Brats, beer battered brats. We're marinating them for tomorrow. You just want them enough to be submerged.
Just want to drown them.
And we're gonna let this sit overnight for tomorrow. And there you go.
See you tomorrow.
The next day.
What we're going to do is we're just going to let them on a slow simmer just to kind of cook a little bit before we fry them up. But we're going to boil them in the beer.
Alrighty, time to try Jeremy's famous Brats. So here they are, beer battered and all. And apparently it's a sin to put ketchup in brats, but I actually really like it. It's good.
How's the potatoes? Potato. You know a potato.
I think it was successful.